Hey, Spencer here from Trail Tech. Today we're going to show you how to use buddy tracking on your Voyager Pro GPS unit. Alright, the first thing we're going to do to use buddy tracking on our Voyager Pro is navigate to the map screen and hit the three dots in the lower left hand corner. Once we do that, we go to the buddies menu. This buddy tracking menu is where we're going to do everything for buddy tracking. First thing we're going to show you how to do is to create a group. Select create a group. You choose a name. We'll go with TT for Trail Tech. If we wanted to, we could create a group pin, and that would make it so anybody with the pin could join our group, but if you didn't know the pin number, you couldn't just randomly join somebody else's buddy group. We'd select create group. So now we have our own group set up. People could search for, and it shows you in our buddy tracking menu. If we select buddy list, it would show you all of the people that were in that group. It would allow you to do a bunch of other stuff, but we're gonna leave this group for now so we can show you how to join a group. So if somebody else has already established a buddy group, right, or is using ride command, then all you have to do is select the three dots again, go to the buddies menu, and hit join group. You're gonna see all the groups that are around in that area and just hit join group. So now we're in the Trail Tech group. And you'll be able to see on your map all the other riders that are in that group. For now, it's just one other rider. One other thing we can show you how to do here is go into the buddies menu, go down to profile, and you're able to change the name, your display name, and also change your icon color. As you can see, I can see Trail Tech Rider on my unit. They can see me on their unit. One last thing we want to call out is if something happened, you got into trouble, flat tire or wrecked or something, you can go to back to the buddies menu and select activate buddy beacon. And what this is going to do is show the buddy beacon warning on any other units that you're linked to in your buddy tracking group and alert them of your location and that something's gone wrong. And then that way they can double back and help you out. And you can go back to the buddy tracking menu, deselect that when crisis is averted. All right, now that you know how to use buddy tracking on your Voyager Pro GPS, you're ready to hit the trail with all your friends.